Whether it's enabling market research or powering loyalty and rewards programs, Microblink takes an AI-first approach to capturing and enriching first-party purchase data. Our account linking solution collects online and in-store purchase data from leading retailers. Users simply link their accounts for each merchant they want to connect via your mobile app or web browser extension. Capture users' full online and in-store purchase history from top retailers and merchants. User permissioned access is secure and mitigates retailer bot protection mechanisms. Integrate our account linking SDK to unlock consumer data as far back as the account exists, enabling precise historical purchase data insights. Automatic background refresh keeps sessions active, minimizing reauthentication and in-app interaction. Continue to fetch purchase data even when users are not actively using your app. Empower users to take ownership over their data and shape their brand and retailer experiences, while you gain unprecedented visibility into consumer insights and habits. Power first-party purchase data insights with Microblink.